Port BTS, this is Motor Vessel Grand Ace, Motor Vessel Grand Ace. We are approaching Fairway Buoy inbound for bird 5% position, 1 mile east of Fairway Buoy, course 200, speed 11 knots, visibility 1 nautical mile due to fog, request traffic information and further instruction over.
MB Grand Ace, this is BTS Center, your position and traffic warning. Outbound tanker on course 090 distance 20 nautical miles, CTA of 0.3 miles. Procedure caution, maintain current course and reduce speed to 8 knots. Report again at Buoy Bravo, over.
Port BTS, this is Motor Vessel Grand Ace. Understood. Reducing speed to 8 knots and maintaining percent course will report at Buoy Bravo, over.
Roger. Next traffic advisory working on the port side. Here Buddy Charlie. Keep starboard of the fairway, turbo movement. Also expected. Here vert. 6. Maintain speed and report at pilot boarding ground, over.
Port BTS, this is Motor Vessel Grand Ace. Now abeam of Buoy Bravo. Speed 8 knots, visibility improving, over.
Copy. Roger. Next traffic advisory working on the port side. Here Buddy Charlie. Keep starboard of the fairway, turbo movement also expected. Here vert 6. Maintain speed and report at pilot boarding ground, over.
Copy that. Port BTS will stay starboard of the fairway and maintain speed, will report at pilot boarding ground. Motor Vessel Grand Ace, out.
Roger. Pilot will abort and pilot boarding ground Alpha, keep sharp lookout and prefer pilot ladder. Port side, safe approach, report when pilot on board, over.
ETA pilot boarding ground in 10 minutes. Request pilot boarding instructions, over. Copy that. Preparing pilot ladder at port side. Will report when pilot is on board. Motor Vessel Grand Ace standing by, out.
Marcom 023 S2BIR.